how big it got. Oh god, it's gonna blow up.
Don't break the microwave. You're gonna clean the microwave.
That's a huge marshmallow!
You know that, right?
I don't give a shit, I'll eat the marshmallow. Look at that thing, that thing's huge. Alright, I think it's done. Big marshmallow. Bye-bye, marshmallow. I have to clean this up now. Fuck.